Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. Today's lesson will be doing a limit as x approaches infinity. If we are given 2x squared plus 9x to the power 4 plus 6x to the power 3 square root inside the square root all over 2 plus 3x minus 5x squared. So if you are given such a question, right, what you do first when you see this type of question, it looks complicated, right? So the first thing to do, we must check in the denominator the highest power. So the highest power is x squared, right? So we're going to divide everything by the highest power. We're going to divide 2x squared by x squared plus the square root of 9x to the power 4 plus 6x to the power 3 all over x squared. All over 2 over x squared plus 3x over x squared minus 5x squared over x squared. So this is how it is done. Limit as x approaches infinity. So it's 2x squared divided by x squared on the top part plus square root of 9x to the power 4 plus 6x to the power 3 all over x squared. Right, this is the first part on top, the top part. Then after that, we go to the bottom part. So we had 2 plus 3x minus 5x squared. So we're going to have 2 all over x squared plus 3x over x squared minus 5x squared all over x squared. Alright. So from here, this x squared will cancel this x squared. Will remain with 2. Right. Then in this part, if this x squared move upward to the line of the square root, it will change to x to the power 4. It will double, right? Because we take this as the square root of x to the power 4. It gives you x squared. So when you move it up inside the square root, it will be x to the power 4. So we'll have 9x to the power 4 over x to the power 4 plus 6x to the power 3 over x to the power 4. Right? On that note. Right then. Then we move on. The limit as x approaches infinity, we get 2. 2, we get it from x squared and x squared cancel out, we remain with 2. So we have 2 plus square root of 9 plus 6 over x. Right? So here having 9x to the power 4 divided by x to the power 4. X to the power 4 cancels, then we remain with the square root of 9. Right? Plus 6x to the power 3 over x to the power 4. We remain with 6 over x. That's why now we're having square root of 9 plus 6 over x. Right? So, okay. Then after that, we're having 2 over x squared. 2 over x squared is this 2 over x squared. So, plus 3x over x squared. Right? So, 1x will cancel in this x squared. Will remain with 3 over x. Right? This is 3 over x plus 3 over x. And then x squared and x squared will cancel. Will remain with minus 5. So, this is the minus 5 that we have. This is the question that we have like this. The limit as x approaches infinity. Right? You are still with me. You are not lost yet. So, let's go. The limit as x approaches infinity. So we have 2 plus 3 all over minus 5. Right. So we put an infinity sign here. So we substitute the infinity. Right. So if we substitute an infinity here, we'll get 0. 2 over infinity. If an infinite value is the denominator. So, which means it moves to high values so that it gets closer to 0. Right. So we put 0. So it's going to be 2 plus 9 plus 0. The square root of 9 plus 0, square root of 9 is 3. So it's going to be 2 plus 3. So this is the 2 plus 3. And then this is 0, right? Then here we'll have 0 plus 0 minus 5. So that's why we're having 2 plus 3 over minus 5 is equals to 5 over minus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? All over minus 5. 5 over minus 5 is equals to negative 1. So the limit as x approaches infinity of this expression, you get the answer as negative 1. Please don't forget to subscribe for more learning content.